Red killed. What? No, I didn't. Blue is lying. Me and Yellow saw you do it, man. There's no sense in denying.
I was on my task. I don't know what's going on. Well, Blue is calling Red a killer.
And Red is saying he's wrong.
So it's either Blue or Red. Which one of them murdered Black?
Well, he's got bloodstains on his shirt. This came from the burger task. Cap. That's just Cap. Blue is such a freaking liar. All he's doing is confusing the crew and making us tired. Maybe it's time to go kick this guy off into outer space. No, don't listen to him, guys. He's the killer. I can explain. Explain? Dude, enough. You're a liar. You're a punk.
Blue is sus.
Yeah, Blue is sus. Wait, how am I sus?
Well, you're accusing Red and being so improper.
I bet you're the one who's doing all the killing, you monster. Blue is gonna kill again, but we can be the ones to stop him. No, you're making a mistake. Blue is not the imposter.